Is your Jeep TJ hardtop hatch keep falling down and whacking you in the head when you're trying to load something in the back? This video, I'm gonna show you how to replace these gas struts. Quick and easy, little short video on your Jeep TJ. All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is the Naturalgearhead Garage channel. I'm Joby. This is our 2002 Jeep TJ that we named Linda Lou, as you can see by the side there, you know, pretty obvious. So what we're doing in this video, this is the factory hardtop for this Jeep. These gas struts, they tend to go bad, and every time you try to load something in the back, the thing keeps whacking you in the head. So we went on Amazon and we bought some of these gas struts. I already threw one in it, and then I decided, oh, we probably should make a video in case anybody else is curious on how to change these. So we just have to replace one in this video, but I'll show you how to do it, the tools you need. And let me give you the part number for this real quick. I'll grab it out of the back of the Jeep. All right, here's the part number from Amazon. It says it's made for this, made in China, so you know it's good. And I just got a little bent screwdriver here. You can use just a small flathead. You'll need to get these struts off, a pair of scissors to cut that band that was on the new one. It does come with instructions. They are a little bit crude, but here they are. Here is also, I guess, the brand Naturalgear. So you know these are going to be high quality, but as long as it don't fall on my head. I've only replaced one so far, and you can see that it is holding itself up. This is the one we put on. It's a little bit different on how it disconnects and connects, and I'll show you how to get this factory one off. All right, so as you can see, it's got like a cap on here, and it goes on this ball, and it will not pull off unless you take this cap off. It does kind of say something on there, on, off, if you can kind of understand it. Lock is all the way in, and unlock is when you pop the cap off. So what you want to do is get you a small screwdriver, and you're going to come into these little grooves and start prying that out. If you come up to the top one, I kind of already started to get a head start for the video here. So you can see that that's already out. So you'll just pull this out, just pry her out nice and easy. Hard to do with one hand, but we'll get it. Pop them out, pull that out of the way, boom, just like that. And then you're going to want a helper if these are bad, obviously, to kind of hold your thing up, your hatch. So just hold the hatch open, get it to that nice spot, boom, just like that, pops off. And we'll come down here to the lower. Of course, my hatch is holding itself up because, like I said, we've already replaced that one. So we'll pop this cap off real quick. Just get up under there and get her a little pry. Once you get her going, if you have two hands, it is a lot easier. But like I said, you just pop that unit off. Boom. And then you can just pop her off there. Let's see if I can get a good angle here. I just like to give it a little boom like that. And this is what you're left with. And we'll get the new one, and I'll show you how to throw that on. Grab the new guy. He's got this little deal here. We'll go ahead and get that off. A pair of scissors. You don't want them too big. You know, just the right size. Just come in, snip that. It's going to open up just like so. Now, these ones, as you can see, they have a little bit different style on them for that clip, that metal band. But it still has that little hole. So if you ever need to take these off, you'll just go in that little hole right there. Come in here. And with your screwdriver, pop him out. This little band will pop loose, loosen in the end. But to install it, you don't have to do anything. You just leave it just like this, and we'll go over and pop these on. All right, so you want to install it the same way the factory had it. This chrome piece was facing down, so we'll just take our top one. I'll stick it on first so it'll kind of hang here. You just line it up. Like I said, you leave that clip on, and you just want to give it a good push. Boom, clips right into place. Come down here to the bottom, spin it around as you need it. Line it up, which you might have to push the top up a skosh, but let's see if we can do it now. We got it lined. Oh, Jace. Oh, Jace. And then line her up. Just give her a little, just like that. And boom, you should be back in action. So when you're in here trying to load stuff in, this thing isn't just slamming you in the head. But look at that. Look at that action, huh? Oh, geez. Tires in the way. Stand by. Stand by. All right. Lay that guy down. Boom. Need her open. Oh, just like new. All right, guys, so that was just a quick little video. Like I said, I bought those struts on Amazon they were $18.99 plus tax. And if you're a Prime member, free shipping. Not that I'm sponsored by them or anything, but Prime is definitely worth it if you're buying a lot of stuff on Amazon. But now That's gonna be, my wife's gonna be super happy that isn't smacking her in the head every time she takes the Jeep out and tries to load something in. But super easy to do, just a quick little video today. Hopefully it helps some of you out. Like, subscribe, share the video if you got any Jeep friends that might need to know this kind of information, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.